I'm so tired for my waiting my package courier. Okay, now what time is it? It's time 3 p.m. Look, 3 p.m. Okay, I'm still waiting for my package courier coming here. Aduh. When was the courier coming? My courier is coming here. Oh my god. I'm so happy. My package is here. Now. Hello guys. Oh, hi Miss Ruiz. It's Indah.
Welcome back to In Horror. It's me, Indah Horror. Today I want to unbox
In the new package, I brought one of a book literature on online shop. Actually, this video is the text of Miss Ruiz. Okay, I want to a little bit tell a story about her. She is a cheerful lecturer. The other than the way of teaching, it is very exciting and funny. Can make everyone laugh, ha ha ha, because of jokes her. Okay, now this is my package. Now ready this package in my hand. Oh my god. So let's open this package. I want to unbox it. Ta-da! The title of this book is Introduction to Literature by Aang Fatihul Islam. Okay, this cover right there. Okay, after looking at the contents of this book, there are some that I know the contents of this book. For example, is chapter 3 is prose. Definition of prose. Its mean prose is the ordinary from of spoken and written language whose unit is the sentence rather than the line as it is in poetry. Okay, next prose genre. This include are the verse, non-fictional prose. Second, fictional prose. Third, heroic plus and prose. And the last, prose poem. Okay, next. There are characteristic of prose. They include are 1. Narrative. 2. Expository. 3. Descriptive. 4. Persuasive. Okay, I think it's enough for review this book. Okay, I have now. Thank you for watching. Arigato. 감사합니다.